Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to create group chat in Facebook group. Okay, first make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected just simply open your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. And once you are here, just simply tap these three horizontal lines here and go to your groups. And in your groups page, make sure that you tap or select this your groups, and you can see here the groups that you manage. Just tap this group that you manage and then click the manage button here. And once you are here, just scroll down and go to tool shortcuts and tap this community chats. And as you can see here in your screen, there are suggested chats or 4 suggested chats that you can set up using this setup button. If you want to create your own chat, then tap this create chat button. And here you can name your chat, just for example, basketball chat or basketball chat group. And you can enter also a short description about your chat group and as well as the category. And after that, just tap or click this create. And once done, you are already created your group chat in your Facebook group. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video helps you a lot, and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.